Okay, so I have a FedEx package from Sally's, and I am about to open it because I'm excited and I don't know what it is. Okay, we got some goodies, y'all. All right, y'all, so we got this cute little Sally's cape, which I will be putting to use. Got the little cute cape. We got the Ion Healthy Scalp Conditioner. This is cute, guys. Oh, I got a lot of Ion stuff. Cool. This is the Healthy Scalp Shampoo. And it says cleanses, balances scalp, infused with erythritol to help minimize flaking due to dry scalp. So definitely going to try that on my dry scalp clients. Is the Healthy Scalp Buildup Remover. And pretty much what you would use this for is like a scalp pre-treatment before you were to wash the client. Look, I got a clip on me and everything. So I'm actually really excited to use this. I have a couple of clients that I know would benefit from this greatly. So I cannot wait to do a video on those. And then let's see, what is this? This is the Ion Color Brilliance Absolute Perfection Booster. And it says to help strengthen, smooth, and restore moisture. And you add this to your bleach, like when you lighten your color. Then they gave me some color sealer. There's so many goodies in this box, y'all. I'm actually really excited. They gave me a ring light kit. Hey, the freak now. Let's see. I'm excited. This is so dope. How cute is this? I love this because I can use this for my talking head videos. Like right now when I'm doing an unboxing, I don't want to bring that big old ring light in. So look, y'all, it comes with the ring light. It comes with the tripod. It comes with the holder. And this is, what is this? Oh, it's a smaller tripod. So cool. I love this. That's dope. So I can use that for my talking head videos, or when I'm doing like makeup and stuff, I won't have to have that big old ring light in my face. They put some gloves. Wella Color Refresh Mask. This is for red hair. So when I get a red hair client, definitely going to be trying this. Also, this is another, this is a leave-in treatment, which is part of the Healthy Scalp System that I have over here. This is pretty cool. This is a semi-cured gel, which is dope. So it says triple layer technology, base coat, color, and top coat, molded shape for superior fit. And literally, I would assume like it would be the equivalent to me of like press-ons, but it's gel. That's dope. Some flat iron protection by Beyond the Zone. I love this heat protectant. It's actually a really good heat protectant. I highly recommend it. They gave me, y'all, look at this, a curing light to go with the gel. How dope is that? And let's see. Oh, this is cute. Okay, it's a seed sprouting kit. Poppy seeds growing pot. Okay, so this is cute. Y'all, there was so much in this box. Thank you so much, Sally's, for my box. I love everything in here. I cannot wait to create some content. I think with this one, what I'm going to do is as they sprout, I'll probably do like a time lapse or something like that and check back in with y'all. But there's a lot of great stuff in here. I really appreciate this, Sally's. Really, really, really appreciate this. And all of this stuff is stuff that I can use, which is even better because as much as I love getting surprises in the mail, I like it even better when I can actually use the things that I have. So thank you so much, Sally's. I really appreciate it. If anybody is watching this and want to be a beauty insider, it's very easy. Doesn't cost you anything to sign up for the program. So if you are interested, get in my DM and I'll tell you how to sign up. I pray you guys have a beautiful Wednesday. See y'all later. Bye.